Hi fashion designer, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to sew this beautiful bra. If you want to know how to draft the pattern, I will definitely post the link on the description. So let's get started. So over here I've got a stretchy lace which is 20% stretch, and it's also one-way stretch also. And then I've also have my sheer cup lining, which I'm going to use it for the cups and also for the cradle. So I'm going to join these two materials together. Then I have a spandex, which is going to be used for the band. So the cradle, I went ahead and I cut the cradle on the sheer cup lining, including the lace fabric, and I'm just going to join them together like so. And also for the cups, I went ahead and I cut on the sheer cup lining plus the lace. So now what we need to do is to take the upper cup and join them together, the two layers like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and then pin them down on the lower cup. Basically, I want to sandwich the upper cup into between the two layers of the lower cup. I'm going to take this into the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch. So once you're done, this is how it will look. All the seams are tucked in inside. So the next thing is to do a top stitch right on the seam. So I went ahead and I did this on both of the cups, and this is how it turned out. So now I just want to join the two layers for the cradle, the lining including the lace fabric, place them right sides facing and sew a straight stitch right on the center. Then I am going to just cut out the excess fabric so to avoid any bulging. And then I'm going to turn this the correct side like so and sew a top straight stitch. And this is how it looks. So now we want to go ahead and join the elastic right on top of the cups. So basically this is going to be the neckline. So I'm attaching the elastic. This is the fold over elastic that I'm using, and I'm attaching it right on top of the upper cup. And this is how it turned out. I went ahead and I did this thing for both of the cups. So now I'm going to join the cups together on the cradle. So now as you can see, this is how I'm doing it, right sides facing. And then I'm going to take my pins and pin the cup around the frame. Now once we are done, you want to take this into the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch. And there we go. This is how it looks. So also how it looks on the inside. Now the next thing is to attach the band. Place them right sides facing. I'm going to pin both sides and then take this into the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch. Now over here I've got my channeling, and I am going to sew it in between the seam that joins the cup and the cradle. So that's where I'm actually sewing the channeling. And if you're not, even though you're not going to be using a wire, the channeling actually helps to hide the seam on the inside of the bra. So over here now I'm just removing the excess fabric right under the channeling. So this is how it looks on the inside. I am going to pin down the tip of the channeling so that we'll be able to attach the elastic right around the armhole. So over here I've got my fold over elastic, and I am going to sew it on the armhole. And when you do attach this elastic on around the armhole, make sure that you pull it not too much but just enough so that it sits comfortable around the armhole. So over here I've got a picket elastic, and I'm going to attach it right on the under bust, and this is the widest picket elastic. So when you do attach the elastic, also use a zigzag stitch and try to pull the elastic also, but make sure you do not put too much tension on the elastic. Once you are done, make sure also you remove the excess fabric. Now you want to take this back again into the sewing machine and flip the elastic in, and then sew another top zigzag stitch. Now to finish off our channeling, we want to go ahead and take this to the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch right on the edge. Now the next thing is to attach the strap. Our bra is almost done, guys. So I'm going to find the middle point on the band and then transfer that center point onto the band on the bra. This will help to attach the strap. So I'm going to, if you want to know how to arrange a strap, I will post a tutorial on how to actually fix your bra strap. So that's where I'm going to pin my bra and take this into the sewing machine and just sew a straight stitch right on top of the strap. So now you want to attach the strap onto the cup, and you want to make sure that the strap is actually right sides facing right on the tip of the cup. Take this into the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch. Now once you're done sewing a straight stitch to attach the strap, you want to now flip the tip right behind the cup and then sew another top straight stitch. So once you are done, this is how the strap will look, nice and secure. I'm going to do the same thing onto the other side. And guys, I am done. This is how the bra turned out. I must say this bra is comfortable and I really love how it came out. I hope you will enjoy making this project as much as I did. As for me, see you on the next one.